Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video I am making a cedar bird feeder. If you paid attention and watched the last video, I made a cedar birdhouse, and these kind of go along with each other as far as craft show sales. I took both of the sides marked dead center on one end and cut them on 45s to create for the uprights. After cutting these sides, I went and put a 1/4 inch Forstner bit in my drill press to create the hole for the string to go through so I could hang it. After cutting all my pieces and drilling the holes for the string, it was time to assemble the bird feeder using Titebond 3 and brad nails. After gluing and nailing one side, I went and did the other side the same exact way by just butting the bottom up against the bottom of the sides. The shorter sides, I went and glued and nailed them the same exact way, making sure that they were all the way tight against the bottom. That way no birdseed could escape. Now before I could do the top, I needed to get an idea of how long I needed the string to be. I tried with a measuring tape, and obviously that was a waste of time. I just started running through with the measuring tape, trying different lengths, and I think I ended up with 2 foot before I was finally happy with it. once I figured the string out and got it tied on, I went and glued the top along with nailed it. So that one side is a little bit short or more narrow than the other side. That way they can overlap.
All right, here we are with cedar bird feeder along with a paintable bird feeder. This is just like a 1x6 whitewood board, 6 foot long. You get Lowe's or any other big box store. I leave it bare, I sand it, don't put anything on it. Mark it as a paintable object, something to get kids involved in outdoors and a good afternoon project, keep kids busy. This is cedar. It's actually a 6 foot fence picket. Leave it bare. Get that good cedar smell. I don't like bird feeders, bird houses, anything that's going to have wildlife involved. I don't like putting any kind of finish on it, especially with cedar, for the reason of it being potential harmful for the animals. And I don't know if they'll go to it or not if it has that smell to it. So I like keeping it just bare wood. Cedar is great for resistant to rot. So this will last a good long time. If you like this video, please give me a like. If you got any comments, anything you want to add, I'll be more than happy to read it. While you're at it, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I greatly appreciate it.